Welcome to Product Critique, where we explore the best in innovative office supplies. Today, we're diving into a product that stands out for its design, functionality, and convenience. If you're in the market for an elegant and practical way to display your business cards, look no further than the NIUBEE Acrylic Business Card Holder display. This is undoubtedly the best acrylic business card holder you can find. The NIUBEE Acrylic Business Card Holder is not just a display stand, it's a statement piece for any professional setting. Constructed from high-quality acrylic, this product features a sleek, modern design that combines a black matte base with a clear acrylic front. This design ensures your business cards are showcased beautifully, making a positive impression on clients, colleagues, and visitors alike. With dimensions of 4.5 inches long, 1.9 inches wide, and 1.6 inches high, this holder is compact yet spacious enough to accommodate a significant number of cards. The slot is perfectly sized at 3.8 inches by 1.1 inches, ensuring that standard-sized business cards fit comfortably. Whether you're in an office, a cafe, or at a trade show, this business card holder makes it easy to access your cards while keeping your workspace organized. One of the standout features of the NIUBEE holder is its impressive capacity. You can store between 60 to 80 cards at once. This means you'll have plenty of cards at your fingertips, ready to hand out whenever an opportunity arises. This is particularly useful for busy professionals who find themselves frequently networking or attending events. Stability is another essential aspect of this product. The base is a robust 0.39 inches thick, preventing any tipping or sliding. You can confidently place it on any desk or table without worrying about it toppling over, even when you're reaching for a card in a hurry. Furthermore, its versatility extends beyond just business cards. The NIUBEE holder can also be used as a gift card organizer or for displaying promotional materials, making it a fantastic addition to various settings, including restaurants and retail stores. Its lightweight and portable design means you can easily transport it to different locations, ensuring that you always have your cards on hand, wherever business takes you. In terms of maintenance, the acrylic material is not only stylish but also easy to clean. A simple wipe with a soft cloth will keep it looking pristine, ensuring that your cards always shine brightly and attractively. Finally, the value for money is remarkable. Priced at just $13.99 for a pack of 2. This product offers great quality and aesthetic appeal without breaking the bank. It's an investment that pays off by making your networking efforts more effective and professional. In conclusion, the NIUBEE Acrylic Business Card Holder is the perfect solution for anyone looking to display their business cards elegantly and efficiently. With its modern design, sturdy construction, and ample capacity, it truly is the best acrylic business card holder on the market. If you want to enhance your professional image while keeping your cards organized, head over to the link in the description to grab your own NIUBEE holder today. Thank you for tuning into Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more reviews on the best products out there. See you next time.